Hello everyone, I'm Sosô.
Hi, I'm Leo.
Today we're here to teach you how to make a paper rocket. For that you will need scotch tape,
Scissors.
a ruler, and paper. For the paper you'll need a squared piece of paper, like 12 centimeters by 12 centimeters,
Sure. A circle.
about 5 centimeters, and two mini triangles, 5 centimeters by 2 centimeters. Okay. You will need a pencil. First thing, get the pencil and get the
A paper.
you will need a straw as well. Now can you get us the straw?
Yes.
Roll the squared piece of paper on the pencil really tight.
Sure.
Before you start, pre-cut the scotch tape into small pieces so you don't have to do it while you're holding the paper. 1, 2, and 3. Make sure it's really tight and make sure the straw can pass through it. Right? Now let's get the circle. Make a dot in the middle, like this, and draw a
Triangle.
triangle. And cut it out. Just like Pac-Man. You know Pac-Man, right? With that, you're going to make the cone. Lau, please show us how to make a cone.
Okay.
Really tight. Smaller, 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 smaller. Wrap it around your finger. I think that's good. And another scotch tape. Pre-cut scotch tape.
Okay.
Do we have more pieces? Yes, we do.
Okay, let's
Put it
guess.
on the top.
I think
If it's too big, you can cut the bottom part.
Okay, let's test it. I think no. It's okay.
Yeah? Can you glue it?
Yes.
Tape it together. Another piece. One more.
Wait a second. Okay.
And don't forget to tape the wings. One on each side. It's really easy. That's the easiest part. One here. Took. And the other one on the other side. Like this. Now, let's go outside and see if it flies really high. The thing you have to do is to blow inside the straw. Let's go. And here we are outside to check rocket number 1 and rocket number 2. Now, please. 3, 2, not to the neighbor. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! And let's see this one with a different wing. Yeah. Oh, this one flew higher. So now it's your turn to make a paper rocket. Bye!